For thousands of years, farmers have been working the land, responsible for feeding billions of people every day, with incredible devotion and hard work, while facing tremendous challenges. This amazing achievement is possible largely thanks to the use of advanced crop baling solutions, which are made of plastic, enabling the efficient transportation and storage of crops baled in the fields. As the leading crop baling producer, Tama recognizes the necessity of disposing of plastics properly to ensure a sustainable baling cycle. The cycle begins after the crops are baled. It's time to collect. Tama cooperates with multiple collection schemes across Europe and around the world to collect and transport the used Netwrap and Twine. Then we recycle. The waste is taken to the Healix recycling factory, where the plastic is cleaned and reprocessed into high-quality infinity polymers. Finally, we reuse. The recycled raw materials are reused by Tama and other industries in the production process, then repacked and shipped back to the field as new crop baling products, ready to be used for baling again. By closing the cycle, we reduce our impact on the environment. Farmers have maintained an unbreakable bond with the land for generations. Now it's up to us to take care of it together. Together, we grow for change. Tama Farm-Grown Solutions.